XRP is holding strong, guys, and there is a reason to this. Make sure to watch to the end of this video so you know why XRP is holding strong and why crypto is holding strong. And we're also going to touch on things happening tomorrow, March 12th. As of the recording this video is March 11th. Tomorrow is March 12th. We're going to be talking about some things happening there and how that could impact your crypto and what you could see in the coming days. Let's get into this. So right now, I'm actually going to switch over here. We're going to check coin market cap out for a second. And guys, we're up 0.7%. And it may not seem a lot, but guys, we are green right now and we are holding steady. We were at 2.4 trillion yesterday and we are holding steady right now. We'd rather see green, and even if it's a little bit of green, than red. And things are looking pretty good for crypto right now. We go over here. Fear and greed index has gone up a lot. It was at somewhere in the red, and we've seen it in the red in past days, past weeks for sure. We've seen it a lot lower than this. And guys, it is finally nice that we are seeing it. Guys, it's still in the orange, but we are seeing it transition, kind of get over this, get over there, and into this less feared zone. And why is this happening? Why is the fear and greed index up right now? It is because this US-Iran conflict is cooling down. It's playing out, unwinding, and it's coming to an end, guys. And we are getting there. It's not going to be tomorrow, but we are coming to an end, and relief is happening where we are getting relief in the market, and people are starting to get a little, the sentiment is building where people aren't as scared as they were before, and things are cooling down, easing off, and the big picture is ending, guys. And so we're going to take a peek at XRP. XRP is held very steady. We see it up 0.55% in 24 hours, but we have held very steady. We've had steady margins, $1.37 even at a low we see right now, and to $1.40. So very, very thin margins. And that is good to see. That is good to see that crypto is holding steady, holding strong, and not going up and down a ton like we have seen it in past weeks, past months, where we'll go up 5 points in one day. We'll go down 12 points the next day, that type of thing. And we're holding steady right now, guys. And so kind of touching on that and why crypto is holding steady, why everything is looking pretty good for crypto right now, why we're green. We're going to take a peek into the future, specifically March 12th, tomorrow, Thursday, March 12th. Recording this video is March 11th. So we're going to touch on what is happening there. And it is pretty interesting. It could impact crypto. So we're going to talk about that. So yes, the US PPI inflation report is coming out, and you're probably asking the question, how could this affect your crypto? What is this going to do to your XRP? And let's touch on that. So right now, economists are not expecting hot inflation tomorrow, and that is good, guys. The consensus forecast is fairly moderate, better than being hot. I'll say that. Okay, so the current forecast for the upcoming PPI, expected monthly PPI about positive 0.3%, expected yearly PPI around 2.6%, core PPI roughly 0.3% month to month. This basically means economists expect normal, moderate inflation, not a big surprise. That is good. We do not want a big negative surprise happening right now, guys, especially because of what we've been dealing with this US-Iran conflict. We've had a ton of problems right now, guys, and we just need a second to chill. We don't need to go anywhere. We just need to chill for a second. And so these are the scenarios that could play out and kind of the chances that could play out. I think it's pretty interesting how it gives you the probability of these things happening. So these aren't official probabilities, guys. These aren't dead. This is going to happen. This is going to happen. But based on analyst forecasts and how economic data usually deviates, the scenario cool and expected, which is a probability of 30%, crypto likely pumps. That would be nice. That would be a good thing that happens. In line with forecast, which is talking about kind of the moderate kind of outcome, is 40 to 45%, little movement. We'd stay the same where we're at right now. I wouldn't mind that, guys. I wouldn't mind, not taking anything, not going up and down, but I would mind crypto dropping short-term. Hot inflation surprise is 25 to 30%. So I'm going to update you guys on this tomorrow. Hopefully this doesn't happen. The consensus is it's not really going to hurt or impact crypto at all, which I'm taking honestly as a win. I just don't want to lose any more than we already have been. And so the chance of a hot number is probably around 1 in 4. Still, 25% is a decent chunk, guys, but let's hope that we can win that other 75% and either get a win or stay the same as we are right now. And so one important twist is that energy prices have recently surged because of Middle East tensions, aka oil, which could push inflation higher in coming reports. But that oil spike mostly happened after the period this report measures. So many economists think the bigger inflation impact shows up in later reports, not this one. So pretty much what it's saying is that right now, guys, the chance that we have a moderate or crypto pumps a little bit is larger than crypto dropping short term, which that is good to see. So 75%, we have a 75% chance of taking a win. And when I say take a win, I don't mean that the 30% that crypto likely pumps. I also am including the 45 to 45% that we don't have any really movement. We stay the same and we don't take a hit. I just don't want to take a hit, guys. And that's what we all should want. I wouldn't mind staying at this number for a little bit until we get a positive catalyst moving into the market to push us forward, such as possibly the Clarity Act coming later in the future. Not tomorrow, but later in the future. So right now, guys, things are honestly looking pretty solid. Crypto is holding steady. XRP is holding steady. The PPI inflation report coming tomorrow. It looks like we're gonna be fine, guys. So things are more calm than they have been right now, which I'm fine with. I think we should all kind of be a little bit happy with that. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys right now. Remember, if you like what I'm doing, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. I really appreciate all your guys' support. And I thank you guys for supporting me throughout this journey. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.